Good morning everyone, this is Kelly and today I'm gonna do a 24-hour quarantine glow up transformation, and I'm just gonna do a makeover at home and just do things that, you know, like I usually do before I get ready for a date or like somewhere fun, because right now there's literally nowhere for us to like go out and stuff because everyone is just under quarantine, and we just received the news that the circuit breaker might extend, so anyways, today I'm just gonna do a little self-care session for myself, and also yeah, so I actually just woke up, so excuse my very bloated face. I'm just gonna go do my 90 weekly run challenge. I just clocked in about 3 km or 4 km last night, and I think I want to go for a workout right now and do a little bit of fasted cardio. So I'm just gonna go wash up and then brush my teeth, put on some light makeup to be presentable, you know. Hello, just got done and got my outfit done. Face, I just put a little bit of concealer and a little bit of lip tint from Dior, and I'm ready to go for my workout. I don't know why today I'm just like hella bloated. Oh, so uncomfortable, but yeah, I think I will feel better after working out, so see ya. Just got done. Hello everybody, just got done with my workout. I'm gonna make some breakfast for myself. I'm gonna get some omelette and then get a green juice and also black coffee. I'm so hungry. Maybe I'll just get like a peanut butter toast as well. I recently bought this new peanut butter. It's the one from Adams, and I really like them. And I think the calories is not too high as well. I'll show you guys later on. Peanut butter, coffee. I'm gonna get my omelette. It is 3 eggs, 1 egg yolk and 2 egg whites. So protein. Let's go. Oh, and I also added red and green peppers. Yummy! Hey guys, so right now I'm just gonna... Oh my god. Hey guys, so right now I'm just gonna go... Ayo, shh! Hi guys! Ah! Hi guys, so right now I'm just gonna go wash up. I'm gonna do some mask, meditate a bit. Hello everybody, so I just got done with my bath, and right now I'm just gonna do some clay mask because as you can see I am breaking out. I don't know why, maybe because I haven't been sleeping at 11 or 12 p.m. lately, and recently I'm just becoming like a night owl. Like my whole routine is kind of screwed up, and I know right now I just need a detox ASAP, so you know, get back to my routine too. So I'm just gonna do a clay mask right now because this skin is bad. It's real bad. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna use my favorite, which is this. This is the Paula's Choice Purifying Clay Mask. I'm just gonna put it on my whole face, and I have, you know, like cleansed skin right now, so I'm just gonna put this on. I really like this. This is willow herb and green tea, and then this unclogs pores, absorb excessive oil, and also help prevent breakout. My kids are yellow, so I'm just gonna use this Crest whitening strips, and this is the 3D White Luxe White Strips. Okay, I'm gonna put this on for about 15 minutes, the same as my face. And right now I have a little bit of lips, so don't mind me, I'm gonna shave my legs right now. I've always been loving this shader. This is the Intuition by, okay, I'll just link it down below, but it's really good, and it's like it has this huge head here and then it's very easy to shave, and it just doesn't, you know, hurt my skin. I really like this. So right now I'm just gonna shave my legs. Because my underarms, it's actually totally gone because I went for the laser treatment by Super Smooth, and I really love their treatment. But right now it's the whole COVID situation, we can't go out. Okay, just wanted to share with you guys that I used this shower gel when I was showering, and this has like little glitter in there. I love it, and it's called Happy Shower Gel, and this one is their holiday season one. I got it off like 50% off, and then this is the LASH one that I did. I actually did a LASH tour, so if you guys are interested, I'll just link it here. And then I also have a few things that I really love from LASH, like the scrub, and also the Sleepy body lotion. So good. And right now, while waiting for this, I think I'm just gonna put on some lotion. Recently I bought Bath & Body Works lotion and the candles, and I really like them. So I'm just gonna like show you guys and apply it on my skin while this situation is going on. So these are the Bath & Body Works lotion that I really like. These are from the aromatherapy section. And I really like this stress relief one. And I also recently bought this. I really like it, and I did a room decor, kind of room organization. So if you guys are interested, I'll just put it in my stay home vlog, and you guys can go watch it. This candle is from my good friend, and it's a Cancer sign astrology candle, and this is from Damselfly, Australia. Jasmine flower scent. I really like it. So today I'm just gonna use this and apply on my body, and then also burn this candle. I really like it. The reason for this vlog is for myself to slow down and do some self-care, and recently I've been super cluttered, like my mind is just in a mess. So right now I'm just gonna do my usual meditation. I use this app called Headspace, and if you don't wanna, you know, buy a subscription, you can also go online, YouTube. You can get like some guided meditation videos too. What I like is the Master series meditation. It's so good. I will just link them all down below. Right now I'm just gonna remove my clay mask and also remove this teeth whitening strips. They are mostly okay already. And then I'm gonna put on, actually I'll just leave this on for a bit more. Then I'm just gonna put on a sheet mask just to, you know, bring back the moisture from my skin. Put on this sheet mask by Etude House, and this is the hyaluronic acid sheet mask. It's very affordable, and it's just good in general. I still have my teeth whitening strip here, and then we're gonna put this on for about 10 minutes. Okay, so while I have this sheet mask on, can you see how translucent this is? It is a light sheet mask and very moisturized. I'm gonna find out what to wear. It's all like mostly office clothes, so and maybe I should just wear that. I was previously a little bit overweight, but now I think I'm okay. I actually broke the zipper behind, so I don't know, I'm not even wearing it out, so I'll probably wear this. Okay, 10 minutes up. I'm gonna remove this mask. Oh, it's whiter! Is it lighter? I like the whiteness. The effect is good. I'm just gonna remove the essence on my face and then put on my Crave Beauty products. I love them, and they actually repair my skin so well. Every time when I feel like my skin is just so bad, like I'll just put on my Crave Beauty products and they just get, you know, better instantly. So yeah, I look alright. Recently I just bought this new Nudestix Sun and Sea kit, and I really like it. It has like a lot of all this gel lippy, and also like the eye pencil that I really like. I talked about it to you guys in a lot of my videos, and it's also in my best of 2019 makeup video. I bought a new highlighter from Nudestix as well. This one, it's a more champagne color, and I'm very excited to try because I wasn't really a big fan of Hey Honey, but this one looks awesome and promising. They also have this other one that came out. This is Beach Babe, and I do have a few colors pretty similar to this, like Sunset Strip, but I really want to try this out as well. So I love their formula, and in general Nudestix is just very natural, very glossy, and I really like it. I also bought their latest magnetic lip plush paint in Waikiki Rose. I think this is really nice, and it has this very velvety finish. So I'm just gonna start off with my face. So first off, I'm gonna use this. So first off, I'm gonna prime my skin. This is the e.l.f. Putty primer. I used it before, and I also bought this because of TikTok. How are you guys holding up during this quarantine period? The extrovert in me just wants to scream and get out of the house, but you know, we should all be thankful that, you know, we're still healthy and stuff, and just stay home. Alright, so next up, I'm just gonna do my concealer. I'm using the Infallible Full Wear Concealer by L'Oreal, and this is in the shade Cashew. Not super happy about the situation, and it actually reflects on my skin, and I haven't been sleeping well lately. I've been sleeping at like 2 AM every day and waking up at the same time, and it's just not great for my skin, my mental health. So I just want to do this video as a detox, a little bit of self-care, and just make myself feel good again, because I haven't been really wearing makeup every single day. I have a simple makeup video done on my IGTV, so if you guys are interested, go follow me on my Instagram. I really just update my life over there, and I'm just very active on my Instagram story. So if you guys are interested with my life updates, go ahead and watch me there. And also, if you guys notice, I removed my eyelash extensions and I look like an earthworm. I forgot to put on my contact lens. I'm gonna use this Harper Christian's contact lens, and they have actually this really nice launch recently. It's the spring launch, and I'm excited to use all of them. I'm just gonna pop on one. Fruit of Passion Christine, and this is their daily lenses. I got this in the color Hazel. Whoopsie! Hello, back with the contact lens. Really like it. What should I use? Oh my god, should I use this? Okay, I'm just gonna use this Beach Babe. It's so interesting. Ooh, it's a different color though. It's a little bit more mauvey than Sunset Strip. Sunset Strip is more orangey. Powder first. So I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury powder here. And of course, going in with my favorite brush. This is my BH Cosmetics vegan brush. And this. Alright, nice. And then gonna go in with my brush. I want to try out the highlighter. So this is the Bubbly Baby new highlighter by Nudestix. Ooh, wow. Okay, very different from, you know, the highlighter that I usually go for, but oh, quite like it. It's very glossy. And it just is very reflective. Oh my god, I like it. I kind of want to go in with this La Isla. Just gonna tap it out. Oh, nice. It's quite a nice burnt orange, to be honest. To be completely honest. Okay, so this is the blue color. Looks like like that. It's like a glittery blue color, and then I'm just gonna put it underneath here. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. That's quite cute. Ooh. Okay, okay. I got there. I'll put on a little bit of this on the inner corners of my eyes again. Woohoo! I like this. Just gonna use this Hourglass mascara. So I have my mascara done on my bottom and top lashes. I really like this mascara, so good. Okay, it's the Marc Jacobs contour palette in My Rage filter. Okay, and then one for the lip, we have Beet here, and then we have also a darker one called Crave. Maybe I will just want to go in with Crave because I think I suit a darker color right now. Ah, Crave gel color. This is the final look and I really like it. I removed some of the lip because it was too much, like a really ABG kind of look. And yeah, so we've come to an end of this video and I hope you guys like it. Remember to like, subscribe and also comment, and follow me on Instagram if you guys want to. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye! Hello, so right now my brother is gonna do cheese baked rice and also avocado spring roll. Gonna go down and help them right now. Hey, okay, I'm here.